What's up, guys? On today's episode or adventure, we're going to be working on the Civic. We're going to be replacing the rear hubs, which I already did it on this side because I'm putting, as you can see, I put extended studs in it. So I'm going to show you guys on the other side of how to do it. It's pretty easy, but I'll be going there, guys, and show you how. First step is going to be pretty easy, jack up your car. So what we're going to do is remove the lugs, and then remove the wheel, and then I'll show you what the process might be a little bit different, only because I have an actual rear drum with the e-brake that I installed with that came with the car already. So that's going to be a little bit different from most, but my step is going to be removing these two 12 millimeters bolts, and then there's going to be, this is I think a 17 here, and in the bottom we're going to be removing those. So well, I got to remove these two 12s in order to get to the 17 because the e-brake line's in the way. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Now that we removed the caliper out the way, we're going to remove the drum. Sometimes it might get stuck, sometimes it might not, but in my case mine came out pretty simple. So all we have to do next is remove this axle nut, which I believe it's 32. So once you remove the axle nut, this whole unit should come out as one piece. Makes it a lot easier compared to the front where you have to press stuff in. There's nothing to do that here. So let's get this situation here. The hub came out, but as you can see, little piece got stuck here. Other side, it came out all as one unit, so that was pretty neat of it. With this one, some of them, most of the time, this will get stuck in there, so you're gonna have to try to hammer that out somehow, some way. But let's get this done. Able to take it out, just screwdriver, flathead, stick it in through here, hammer it down, and then little by little it just ended up popping out. So we're good to go now. Now after taking out the old one, here's the new one with the extended lugs, with the studs. I mean, all I have to do is now just torque down these nuts, this axle nut, and we should be good to go, and then reinstall everything back together. I just installed the two 17s, one here and one down there. Now all I have to do is just reinstall these two 12 millimeter nuts, and pretty much it. Now I have extended studs. Now I needed these because I have some 17 by 8s with 225 or 235 rears. Forgot what are they, but the problem is the offset it's a bit too high. I think it's a plus 45, and it rubs here. It's rubbing here, so I need like either a 3 millimeter or a 5. I think I'm gonna go with the 5 millimeter spacer so that it doesn't rub. So I'm gonna go ahead and be doing that, and then I should have my clearance issue that I need, and probably go a little bit lower. But yeah, so we're all said and done here. Everything's back together. All the nuts and bolts are tight already. Calipers on, rotors on, extended studs are on. So now let's call it a day. Put these wheels back on, and maybe adjust the other wheels some other time. But that'll be for another day.